Hey, Jan here. So about a year ago, I went on a trip up to New Hampshire. Yes, New Hampshire. To be honest, I've only known it as a drive-through state on my way up to Maine, but while browsing through Google Maps, I came across something interesting. Mount Washington. And that triggered a memory. I'm sure we've seen those bumper stickers that say, "This car climbed Mount Washington" before. They were definitely ubiquitous a couple of years ago, but I don't see them as much anymore. So I decided to give it a goog, and I was instantly inspired. So with about a week of planning before my trip, I booked my campsite at a place over 300 miles away to a place I've never been before to do a thing I've never done before, and that's to get a sticker. Wait, hold on. No, that was to climb a mountain with my car. So this 336-mile trip was supposed to take me about 6 hours. Let's call it 7 or 8 with stops, traffic, all that other stuff that comes with driving. No sweat, right? Hey, Past Jan, how did that go?
Okay, so I'm about 2 hours into my drive, getting caught in lots of traffic. My buddy here freaks out, tells me that I got a low pressure warning. Come to find out, I got this guy here. So, thank God I live in the US. I'm gonna learn how to plug a tire, first time. Let's see how this goes. And I had to switch to a donut. So, the thing that got me was this guy right here. That tiny screw, and that little bunch is my plug. Final check. Beautiful. Ooh. Oh yes, no more code. So let's see how long that set us back. My original ETA was 17, 5 o'clock. It is now 18:53.
Oh yeah. So with that setback, I had to crush those final few miles and make it to the campsite hopefully before dark. And yes, I did visit 2 mechanics before that, and they both told me, "Oh, we don't have time," or "Oh, this is gonna cost you a ridiculous amount of money." You know how much that tire patch kit cost me? That tire patch kit cost me less than $10. What the hell? So, thanks to YouTube, thanks to Google, I learned how to do it. And I did it myself. Don't worry, I didn't have a blowout. As you can tell, I'm still here. So, I crushed those final few miles, and I was still panicking because I wasn't at the campsite yet. And holy crap, let me tell you, the sight that I saw, the view, the vista that greeted me, the way the sun was setting right behind the mountain, it felt like everything's gonna be alright, despite all the setbacks. Thankfully, I made it to the campsite without any more incidents, so I got my stuff ready for the next day, had some ramen, and then went to bed. officially gonna be my 5th attempt. I found the comet. I don't know, man.
I think this is it.
I have another washout.
I think I'm finally gonna get it.
Not getting anywhere.
I did it. I finally did it.